In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall a program in Windows, and this applies for Windows 10, Windows 11, and even Windows 7 and 8. It's really simple. All you have to do is launch the control panel, and you're going to have this window open. Where you want to go is the programs and features. So go ahead and select that. And all you have to do is select any program that you want to uninstall. So in this case, let me select the BlueStacks, for example. Right click it, and then you have the uninstall button. So once you hit uninstall, it will go through the process of the uninstaller. So in this case, yeah, they're starting to see me go. I'm going to hit uninstall, and it's just going to go through the process of uninstalling. And as you see, it says uninstall completed. Very fast process. And if you refresh it, that one BlueStacks program that I uninstalled is gone. So let me delete the other one as well for you. And once that's done, all you have to do is probably restart your computer, and then you should be good to go. Very simple process. And if that helped you, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.